Manas, what about you? Do you have a Charlotte Leclerc in your life?
It's One Direction. It's all 5 of them. I had like bed sheets, backpack, laptop case, phone case, like 10 bracelets.
Pet sheet, really?
Yeah. So like it was just 5 guys on my bed.
She's sleeping on 5 guys.
And it got really insane when it started becoming their birthdays because I would celebrate them.
Oh my god.
Oh.
And guys, welcome back to This Is Not a Podcast. We have Menu here. Hey Menu.
Hi guys.
Her name is Manas, but we call her Menu.
Out
No,
of
they
hand.
don't. They don't.
I
call
decided
me
to call her Menu today onwards. And
Do you guys all have a nickname?
yeah, I have.
What's
My name is Sharu.
That's a normal
Or
nickname. That's
if
not
when it
weird.
becomes Malayali, it's Shadu. Shadu. What about you?
Me?
Yeah. No,
That's
what
it.
about you? Me? Who else?
You're wearing sunglasses. I don't know who you're looking at.
That's
I'm
actually
always
fair. I
looking at
have
you,
no
Tessa.
Oh, that's
That's weird.
I don't have a pet name.
Do you don't have?
That's not
Actually, your name
possible.
is so short.
No.
Tessa. How can you like?
Yeah.
Well, Tess.
Yeah.
Actually, Tess.
No,
That's
but
kind
no
of
one.
nice.
Sometimes like it becomes Tessie or Tessu, but that's it. Like it.
I
doesn't-
don't have a nickname either.
Yeah.
Mm. And
Wait,
for a
no,
name
you-
like
they
mine,
call you baby.
yeah, but like every girl in my family is baby.
Yeah, but you're
Like
name is
legit,
baby.
like when I go to Gwalior, which is where my mom's family is from, everybody is baby there. Okay, so when my granddad, my nana says baby, 10 people show up.
But why baby?
It's just like boys are baba, girls are baby.
Oh,
that's kinda
so-
cute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Manas, what about you? Only Menu
I have
or-
like 10 nicknames, you know.
Appu is Appu one.
No.
Appu is the most common
No.
nickname ever.
One
In Kerala, at
is
least.
one is kind of nice. Like people call me Mez. That's quite nice, you know.
Oh, Mez is the cool
It's the
nickname.
cool one.
I feel like nobody calls her. She created her.
She wants it to happen.
She wants it to be the nickname.
I'm manifesting it, guys. But the other one's Manu, and one is
I'd
Menu.
punch them if they call me
Yeah.
Manu.
Yeah, it's horrible, but my mom calls, so it's with a
Oh,
lot
okay.
of love.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's okay. What's the other one? There's one more. Oh yeah, my aunt calls me Nasuk.
Nazuk.
Nasuk.
Yeah. I don't know where that came from.
Nazuk is like sensitive.
Oh, yeah, it's probably
Maybe
that.
she's
then.
describing you.
Yeah, dude, I cry a lot. Must be that.
What about
Wait.
Mejnas? What did you used to call her something?
Mejinas. Yeah, I like
Mejinas.
Mejinas also.
Guys, can no, like
today-
what's going on?
Today I realized I think Menu is cuter.
Yeah, Menu is cute.
Yeah. Wait,
It's like very endearing.
wait 1 sec.
Not really.
Menu.
Menu is such a weird. It sounds like menu, you know? like menu.
In between, she said she cries a lot. Why do you cry, Manas?
I'm a very expressive, emotional person, and I like to embrace it.
Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, how easy is it to make you
Oh my
cry?
god, it's so easy. Like, oh my god, you guys can make me cry right now if you wanted to.
But like, are there some things that trigger you?
If someone screams at me, I cry. If someone picks a fight,
Manas!
Oh my gosh.
You know, I was gonna like be like, oh, do you want to scream at me?
So you thought about it. You thought about it. I did it and you still got scared.
I was trying to convey it to you secretly, dude.
Oh, sorry. I can't see you because this thing is covering your face.
Okay.
Oh my God. Yeah. If someone overwhelms me, I cry. Sometimes when people make me happy, also I cry.
So you're a crier.
Like I went to the gym, right? And yesterday I saw Gayu at the gym, and I was,
And you cried.
but she just saw me and she was like, "You look so cranky. What happened?" And I was like, "Nothing." And I just walked away. And then I got into the car after gym and just cried for 15 minutes.
she
You
didn't
know-
want to go to the gym.
No, that I actually hate when that happens. Like sometimes you're having a normal day where you meet someone and they'll be like, "Oh my god, you look so sad today," and then you keep thinking about that and like, "Am I really sad? Is there something sad in my life?" And then you feel sad genuinely.
Yeah, that's not what happened to me, but I'm sure that
Yeah.
sucks too.
Yeah.
Do you like cry? Like, is it like slow tears or is
Yeah,
it like
slow
weeping?
tears, like it'll like.
It's the romantic crying,
Yeah.
basically.
Or like one
Like
tear?
I really have a moment. I don't like ruining my makeup, so it's like
Oh. Guys, we have a person here who can like fake cry. I've never seen anyone fake cry as well as her. It's Tessa.
Huh?
Like if she wants
Why?
you, if she wants to,
Why
if she wants you to, if she wants to convince
I
you of
don't
something,
fake cry.
and if she wants you to not do something, and she tries to make it super emotional, and then like there's a coat of like water around her.
Yeah,
eyes.
like her eyes really fill
and
up.
she does it like at the drop of the hat. Anytime she wants to do it,
That's
she can
not
do it.
true. Name a moment that happened.
Name
right
a
now.
moment. bad moment. Wait,
Example.
Wait, I'll tell you. When we went for, so guys, we went for ISL's media day. So that's where all the football players from different ISL teams come, and we did this video where Tessa played rock paper scissors with the football players, and she kept losing, so she had to dance. The loser has to dance. And when we were convincing her to do this video, she was like panicking. She was nervous, and she didn't
I
want to do
was
it.
panicking.
And then like there was that coat of tears. Like it never
It was
falls. It
real,
never
okay?
falls, but it's there.
Because I don't like crying. So every time that happens, I just like pull it back inside. Like,
But
you know?
why don't you like crying, Tessa?
No, I love crying. Just in
Huh?
my bathroom.
Yeah, I'm like her.
With the
I
showers.
can't cry. Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't cry out in the open. Like even when I was young, I just couldn't let my family see me cry. It
Yeah,
was
I
like a
hate
moment. Like I didn't want to be weak.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. No, Sharon, please. Okay. Like your normal state of being is crying.
I have cried everywhere. I
Yeah.
don't think there's anybody in the world who has not seen me cry.
Yeah.
I've cried in Lulu. I've cried in school.
Why
I've
did
cried
you
in
cry in
restaurants.
Lulu?
Like have fights and
In
cry.
Lulu?
Yeah.
Not with random people.
Not as random people, like with people. Like with my family or my cousins or somebody. Like I could, like I
or
have
ex
no issues.
girlfriends. Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't want to
Maybe you
mention
should
that,
like
but
make a
like,
series on This Is Not a Vlog. Me crying.
Yeah.
I'll join
yeah.
you.
yeah, but I like people who cry easily because like I can cry for like I can even see a not so emotional scene in a movie.
Same.
And dude, the
Right?
thing is, everybody knows I'm crying, right? Everybody knows I cry easily. So when the scene is happening, nobody's looking at the show or the TV or the movie. They're all looking at me like this, and I'm like, fuck, I can't cry. They'll make fun of me.
No, I cry very easily in movies. Like very easily. But like even when I was growing up, like there have been instances where I've watched a movie in like a theater and I'm howling. Okay, I was a child because for the longest time my parents didn't tell me movies aren't real.
Oh, yeah, you
And
told me.
I think my dad looks a lot like Rishi Kapoor.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay, and there was this one movie called Raju Chacha. Okay, in that he's a father to 3 kids, and the mother's not there, like she already passed away. And there's a scene where he's dying.
Oh.
And I didn't know it wasn't my dad. I thought it was my dad on screen
my
because he wasn't with us. So I was like, oh, he's in the movie. And then that scene happens where he's hanging on a tree and then he falls down and he's gone. I thought it was my dad. So I am
is so
howling.
sad.
That's actually
That is
really
so
sad.
Yeah.
I feel really
But
bad.
wasn't
Yeah.
he sitting next to you?
He wasn't there.
Oh, he wasn't there.
We were in Gwalior and he was in Cochin, I think, at that point.
He was a movie star.
Yeah, according to me. Okay, and I was 5 years old or 6 years old, okay, and I'm howling, okay, like people have stopped watching the movie, they're looking at me because I'm like, Papa, Papa, and like then he had to physically come to Gwalior to show me that
Aw.
he's still there.
Oh my god.
Yeah, but I cry very easily in movies, like, yeah.
Dude,
I'm
I
not
had the
young.
weirdest like cry experience. I don't know if it's because I'm PMSing, but I was watching Sharon's video.
Sharan's video?
Yeah, Sharon's video.
My videos make people cry. Fuck.
No,
Yeah,
of,
some of them are
guy
really
you
emo-
see
yeah.
the
Oh.
billboard for the first
Oh,
time.
Yeah.
And dude, she started tearing up and I started tearing up. And I was like, what's wrong with me? But I was just tripping for like
I
15
feel
minutes.
like
That's
Guy
why
you makes
that-
you cry a lot.
That- yeah,
That's only 2 times.
Oh,
2 times Guy has made you cry.
but which was the last movie you guys saw and cried?
I feel like there's in every movie I
I
have
cried.
one
yeah.
instance where I can cry.
Manjumal Boys, I cried.
Manjumal.
You
It's a
said
monument.
Manjumal boys. What kind of Manju are
Manjumal,
you?
Manjumal Boys, I cried. when I
That was the
watched.
last movie you cried in?
What did you cry there for?
I don't know. It was so emotional.
Yeah, I mean, that was an emotional movie. How come you
Yeah.
didn't cry?
No, I didn't cry because I knew he was going to survive and it's like a real life story. So I
Just
didn't.
the way it's shot, I cried. So touched my heart.
Hmm.
Yeah, oh, the show, like the a TV show or a movie which I cried most was when Modern Family ended.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, fair enough,
Dude, it was
Oh
like I don't know
my
if it
God.
ended then, but I watched the final episode like 2 days when after the the initial first lockdown
Yeah,
in
yeah.
March 2020, and I was weeping.
Yeah.
Like I was weeping
Wait,
as
was
the
it the
episode.
episode where they like hug each other at the
Yeah,
end?
yeah,
yeah.
Oh my god, yeah, that's really sad.
Yeah, I'm so attached to that show. Like, even for me, that. But I think the movie that has made me cry every single time I watch it, and I think it's just like not even normal crying, it's like weeping crying, is Pursuit of Happiness.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
like,
fair enough.
it's
Mine
just-
is
Yeah,
probably
Pursuit.
Finding Nemo.
Finding
Finding
Nemo.
Nemo.
Yeah, I cry every time Finding Nemo can't find the dad.
That's so cute.
I've never watched Finding Nemo.
You're not seen.
Oh my
you're not, but you don't like animated movies.
I
so.
like animated movies.
Have you guys watched 5 Feet Apart?
No.
I hate that movie.
What?
What is it?
I cried so
Wait,
much.
what is this movie? I really want to know which movie she cried for. Menace, what is this movie and why do you
Bro,
hate it?
it's like, okay, you know what? I sound so inconsiderate on camera, but it's two people
Yeah,
that are
explain
patients
the movie.
in a hospital. They're two patients in a hospital, and they can't be more than 5 feet close.
They have something called CF. I don't know anything about it. But they can't.
Dude, it just seemed like a Fault in Our Stars ripoff. Like, I just did not find
No,
that.
what-
sad.
but
Real life
is this a real
story.
thing?
Yeah.
Yeah,
It is.
apparently.
So they can't, and if they go close to each other, what happens?
No, there's like
Some
a bacteria which they can catch off of each other and they might die because like they always have like a tube going through their nose and everything.
But are they like lovers? Are they?
yeah,
so
yeah,
they're
yeah.
in love,
They fell in love in the
okay.
hospital.
Oh. Oh.
It is such a cute
10 out of 10
movie.
don't recommend watching.
10 out of 10 recommend watching. There's another movie as well. The Sky is Blue? No. Wait,
The
I
Fault
forgot.
in Our
Oh, the sky is pink.
The sky is
pink.
The sky is
The
blue.
sky-
The
The sky is pink. That is also
Oh, that's a
really
The
really
Priyanka
sad.
Chopra one?
Yeah.
Mm, that's
Yeah.
really-
That's
There's
sad.
another one as well. The something, the moon sunlight.
Damn,
Tessa?
guys, I thought we were only supposed to see one movie.
Yeah, Tessa's. I've cried for Tari Zameen Par.
Tari
Oh
Zameen
my
Par,
God.
everybody
Oh my
has
God.
read,
That is
yeah.
the-
Yeah, Tari Zameen Par I weeped
classic.
because I thought I was like him.
Yeah, we all related to Ishan Avasthi
Yeah.
at some
Yeah.
point.
And I feel like I kind of looked like him also at that age. And he was like my age at that
Yeah.
age.
Plus the numbers were all jumbled in your head.
Have you guys watched Dear Zindagi?
Yeah.
I
Oh
cried
my
I
god.
sobbed my eyes out for that.
Yeah.
Like, oh my god.
Like I can relate to that character so
Yeah,
much.
dude, like, oh my god.
Have you guys tried out a lot of furniture?
No,
No, not really.
no.
What about you?
No, I have a question for you. Have you cried after a football match? As in when your
Oh
team
my
is
god.
lost?
He cried.
yeah.
I
We
feel like
were
boys are they can cry.
yeah.
They should cry. But after a football match,
What do you mean? You're blood, sweat, and tears. Wait. Is
Your
it when I'm
blood,
playing
sweat,
or?
and tears.
Swear and tears.
Or when
no,
other.
not
Oh.
when you're playing. For example, like my brother, I remember I was very young,
Oh my god.
and
You made me depressed again.
Manchester United is like his favorite club.
Mm.
Was, or I don't know if it's still. I mean, I think it still is. There was something Manchester United lost, and he came downstairs crying. Appa! We thought something happened. We
Yeah,
genuinely
something.
thought
What do you mean?
something happened.
We thought something happened. It is the most painful thing in the world. You know, first of all,
you
you
should
can't.
have seen him.
First of
We
all-
were dying. He was like, Manchester United so much.
He's gonna hate you.
First
for
of all,
this.
you can't say, I think it was his favorite club. I don't know right now because once you choose a club, that's your club for
No,
life.
no, no. It is his favorite club. It is.
Yeah.
his.
It's not like you change girlfriends. You can never change a football club. You
Shan, you
a
change your
girlfriend.
club the minute Ronaldo signs elsewhere. So
Me-
shut up.
For me, my club is Ronaldo. It's one human being.
What's your favorite club right now?
No, my favorite club is Manchester
Saudi
United.
Arabia.
No, I support Manchester
Saudi
United.
Arabia is your favorite club.
I support. You think he plays for Saudi Arabia?
Yeah.
Ronaldo plays for Saudi Arabia.
In a club
Yeah, and
in
Putin's
Saudi
the
Arabia.
Yeah, in a
president
club
of,
in
Oh, okay. So I support Manchester United and any club Ronaldo plays for.
So what
Oh,
if they
you're
play,
a Manchester United fan as well?
Yeah,
What
Oh,
if they play
same.
against each other?
Ronaldo first.
Yeah, it's the person before the club.
So yeah, I've cried a lot. 2022 World Cup when Ronaldo
Oh my
lost.
god, I have that video. Okay, so we are watching the match in Doha. Not Doha. This was the pre.
Yeah, it was
Yeah,
in Dubai.
because they never made it to the knockoff stages.
Knockout stages. It's
Knockout,
shall we?
whatever. So we were in Dubai and they had these fan zones for the World Cup. Okay, so we were watching it in a fan zone or a pub. I can't remember
Pub,
where
pub, pub,
exactly. And Portugal is knocked out. Okay, Ronaldo's really old now, so everybody's like speculating whether he'll play the next World Cup or not. So for Sharan, it was like his dream to see Ronaldo win a World Cup. Highly impossible dream, but anyway, a dream. And Portugal lose. I turn around. Both Sharan and Afzar are weeping in public.
You know, it was, the problem with that match was it was a build-up of emotions. We knew it was his last World Cup. Okay, so every match he plays, it's like we know it's coming to an end. We know it's coming to an end. We know he's never going to play for Portugal after this. This is going to be his last World Cup, and we have been watching him. Like I've been watching him
Oh,
since
that gave me
2004.
goosebumps.
Yeah. Okay. And then finally he lost a game which he was not supposed to lose against Morocco, and he got knocked out. And we are processing our emotion because we are like, we'll never see a hero play for Portugal again. And he's known to cry a lot. Like he easily cries. And he's not crying. Okay, but we are crying already.
Yeah.
And then as we are crying, he leaves the pitch and he enters the area where you can go into the
The dugout.
the dugout. Yeah. So he enters the dugout area. It's inside the like you technically cameras are not supposed to be there. And suddenly he covers his eyes and he starts weeping. And the camera is shooting this. Like cameras fuck the
There are
game.
reels, right?
Yeah, there are reels. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
I've
They're like
seen
he's
that.
holding it like this and he's crying.
Yeah, it is really
And
sad.
there we just lost it. Like tears were like
Aw,
flowing.
That's actually
so
really sad.
wholesome.
Yeah.
Like when you explain it like that, it's
Yeah.
actually really sad.
Like, I'm
and-
telling you, they were in a pub, grown ass men in a pub weeping.
And not only that, after weeping, after 2-3 months, he's like, "Oh, by the way, that's not our last World Cup. I'll play the next one as well." And I was like, "Fuck yeah!"
Yeah.
I'm so happy for you.
yeah. Let's go. Big win.
Yeah. I've never seen like a love like a boy and his football club slash player.
Yeah,
You're really loyal.
thanks.
Only towards clubs.
Same to you, Tessa.
I'm loyal. Go away.
Wait, has music ever made you cry?
Yeah.
Like, have you ever played music and then, like, because you want to cry, you played sad music and then.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I've
yeah,
done
yeah,
that.
yeah.
I've
That's,
done
yeah, yeah.
What's your go-to sad music? Like
Fix
one song.
You. Fix you.
Fix You by?
Coldplay.
Okay.
I think mine's I think it's called Let It Go, but not the Frozen one.
Let it go.
Either let it go or let her go.
Let it go.
Let it go.
Yeah, I don't
okay.
really remember the artist, but I always play that. I have a playlist called
Cry.
Sad Girl Shit.
Ah.
Yeah, it's when I want to cry. I'm like, okay, but
Yeah.
I cry anyway, so it's kind of yeah.
What about you, Shamali?
So, okay, people always ask me about music, and now I don't listen to music. Like, I have no songs on my phone, nothing. Earlier, I used to listen to music very frequently, but then I realized that the kind of songs I listen to impacts my mood.
That's true.
Yeah,
That's
so I
true.
completely stopped listening.
You
I
just
was
stop
like-
listening to music.
I just stopped. I was like, I don't want something to
Okay, but
influence
what
my
is your
mood.
go-to sad song?
I don't have one
Like,
now.
if you, okay, one song which makes you sad, then, okay, we'll change the question.
Like when I was going through a breakup, I was that girl who was listening to Agar Tum Saath Ho. And
Dude, but actually, I went to this Anuv Jain concert, and
Husn!
yeah, he played Husna, and I started crying.
yeah, I
That
love
is
that song.
such a
Like
sad
it was
song.
actually
love that
really sad. Like I
Yeah.
was like, oh my god. Like I bawled my eyes out there.
Yeah.
What is my go-to sad song?
It has to be Taylor Swift, right?
No, I hate Taylor Swift.
How can you say that?
I love Taylor Swift.
Yeah.
I love the feminine energy
Yeah,
here.
it's so easy to convince that. Sorry, guys. I remember
love
when
Taylor
I was,
Swift.
I remember when I was growing up, it used to be Evanescence.
Yeah.
Have you guys listened to Evanescence?
No, they're too young for
Yeah, I think
Evanescence.
Tessa
Sing
was
it?
even-
Well, we can't sing it.
Was I?
It's too high pitched.
Yeah, it's too high pitch, and she was like a
Try.
goth. She was like a goth, and like half her eyes
Half,
would
yeah,
be
one
covered.
eye is like covered with bangs.
Oh
So
Like,
the
it
reason
was
I
too
used to,
cool.
the reason I used to listen to this song and cry is because it used to be my that time ex-girlfriend's favorite artist.
Okay.
So and she was also a goth.
Oh.
Like when
Really?
you would cover, yeah,
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
yeah, and then yeah. So I used to listen to Evanescence and cry a lot. But is there Agar Tum Saath Ho? Nice one. Nice.
Kun
tears.
Faya Kun.
Yeah, all the rockstar
cry.
songs.
I don't actually cry.
And
when I
Nadan
sing.
Parinde song.
Oh
Oh,
my
my
God,
god.
And all like
Yeah.
90s Tamil music.
I don't know
I
that.
feel like
yeah.
make me really sad.
Name a song.
Uh,
90s Tamil music.
like Pudu Vellamai and
Oh
stuff.
my god,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
I didn't even think I'd recognize the song. That's crazy.
Or like oh my go-to is nobody has watched this movie, but there's this movie called Bombay.
Of course, Bombay, yeah.
Of course, of course, Bombay.
What do you mean no one's watched this movie? Of course.
So Bombay has a
Roja.
Roja makes you cry all the time, but
Yeah.
there is Bombay has a theme song,
Yeah.
and that soundtrack is the saddest soundtrack in the world
Yeah.
according to me.
Tut, tut, tut.
It's not sounding that sad, but
No, no,
I'm
no.
sure the
I'm
sound
doing a bad
really
job.
feels.
It's got all the feels.
There was a time when I was going through a breakup, and there used to be a subway next to Panampally Nagar, and
Yeah.
like right in
Oh,
the
I
entry
know,
of
in the
Panampally
yeah.
Nagar. Yeah.
Manorama, yeah.
Yeah. So all my friends have gone into Subway to buy stuff, and we are going somewhere else. So they have gone inside Subway. They know what I want to eat. So I'm sitting in the car, and suddenly the sadness hits me, and that's why I didn't go into Subway. So I'm playing Bombay theme song in the highest possible volume, and suddenly they all enter the car, and I'm crying, but I can't stop crying now. It's just four boys, one crying, the other three just looking around, not knowing what to do with these emotions. But Bombay theme is just like loudly playing.
Damn, bro. I need to listen to this.
No, you don't.
I
But
love
that's precisely why I stopped listening to
Sad
music.
music. Yeah.
you start relating to them. And
No,
then,
I just don't like things that put you in a sad zone. Like even shows and movies now, I don't watch serious stuff. I just want like it to be actually
vibes.
entertainment.
I feel like there's too much sadness in real life to
Yeah,
watch
like
something.
why
Watch
do you want to
something
deal
sad
with
as
it?
well. Fair
Yeah.
enough.
Like that's why I love Modern Family. It's such a nice show. Like you don't like except when
Yeah.
it ended. Otherwise it's just like so much fun. Like it's like you just want to like watch it and like relax. But like serious stuff
Do you watch
is-
like Young Sheldon and stuff?
no.
Oh, I find that so fun.
Yeah.
Same. I love
Yeah.
Young
I haven't
What's
seen
your
Young
favorite
Sheldon.
TV show, both of you?
Mm,
Gossip Girl and Friends.
Oh,
I
you
finished
watch
the whole
Friends?
thing. Yeah.
Oh. I thought the younger generation didn't like Friends.
No, I
no,
love
I quite like
Friends.
Friends.
Yeah.
But I can't really think of my favorite show. I watch a lot of shows. I have way too much free time.
Yours is Modern Family, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Modern Family, but I also love shows like Fresh Off the Boat, Kim's Convenience, like
Yeah.
those shows where like it's
Yeah.
an immigrant family trying to live in America.
Yeah, Shamali has this weird thing. So for me, for example, if I'm watching a show, I'm only watching one show.
Yeah.
I'm given all my attention to that one show.
Do you watch
I will-
multiple shows? I do
Bro,
the
she's
exact same
every
thing.
night I'm asking her, what are you watching? She's watching 6 different shows. One minute she's watching Emily in Paris, next minute she's watching. How do you do this?
I have
actually-
commitment phobia. I don't want to give everything. I
No,
don't want to
but-
give one show all my time.
I have a question. So you've finished the episode. Don't you want to know what happens next in that
No,
show?
so that's why I watch stuff which is not like which doesn't leave you on a hook.
So like sitcoms
Oh.
mostly.
Yeah, like sitcom, like stuff that you don't. you don't have to give all
Okay,
your
okay.
attention to it.
For me, it was probably like I think the top of my list is probably Modern Family, but I had this like Vampire Diaries phase, so it was kind of hard to break out of it. And then there was also the show called Dynasty that I thought was so
Yeah,
fun.
a lot
I
of people love
love
Dynasty.
Dynasty.
This is the
Like,
music
such a
thing, right?
No. It's like a family and then father daughter
Yeah, like
business.
small
rich
people
Yeah.
Oh,
business.
okay, then that.
Oh, I
Oh,
like
then you guys are
Succession.
like Succession. Yeah.
I
I've
have
watched
not-
Succession.
yeah,
I
I've
like
not-
Succession.
yeah.
I watched. But Dynasty is still better, I think.
Dynasty is better than Succession?
I think so. But also, I really like the main character, so that's probably why.
Guys, we should start a show.
That this is a show.
Yeah, this is a show.
Oh,
This is not a vlog, Tessa.
yeah.
You're the main character now.
Yeah.
Stop it.
Okay, Nanas and Tessa, I have a question for you.
Yeah.
Basically, you guys have been interning for Shamali. How has that been?
Oh wow.
How's that journey been? We'll start with Tessa because Tessa has been interning for a longer time and doing a worse job. So
She'll cry
I
now.
don't
She
care
loves
about
me
the
so
job.
much.
Like I'm just.
we know that. We know you don't. We know. We know you don't care about the
No,
job.
no, no,
It is very obvious.
I care about the job. I care about the job.
Okay, tell it
But-
yourself.
I care about the job.
Yeah.
You know that, right?
I know that.
As long as you, I don't
I
care
am the
about
job.
Yeah. But I've just like grown to love Shamoli like more every day.
So you fell in love.
That's
yeah,
so
I fell
cute.
in love. And like she's like the older sister I never had, and it's just.
How
been
am I supposed
so
to match
wholesome.
that?
Say the same thing,
You
but better.
can't.
Older brother. You never had?
Mr. Grinch. You're like the.
No, I wanted you to say I'm the older brother you never had, and then your actual brother would watch this.
No.
You
You're,
threw him under the bus about the majesty and everything, and now this was.
yeah, I found it so weird. I was like, why is he crying so much? But I was young, so I didn't understand it back then. But yeah.
So have you learned anything in this
Of
job, or you
course
just
I have.
realized that you fell in love with Shamali? Or
No, I have. I've grown as a person. I've.
in what way?
like I'm so much more confident now. She's taught me how to like not care about what other people think about you, and then she also like taught me so much otherwise, like academically and non-academically. Sounds like a school project.
You sound like you're trying to speak at your graduation or something.
Yeah.
No, I love you, dude.
Oh my
Wait.
god, you're gonna make me cry now.
When you go
No
back
joke, like I'm usually really excited to go back. Like when I go back to the
to
UK.
the UK,
This time I'm very, very, very sad to leave you guys. You guys, both of y'all.
That's so sweet. We're
Yeah.
really sad.
It's
actually.
been like the best summer.
I'm not-
I've been so entertained and engaged the entire time. Thanks to you guys.
I'm glad we entertained you. Bro.
Yeah.
You came
You
to
guys-
work. You came to work, and then we had to entertain you.
No, but she also taught me. She taught me so much. Okay. Don't try to get in between.
Okay, what about you, Velas? How are things?
Menav
You have
and I have
recent-
just started
We've
working.
just started. We've
Yeah.
just started. So we're like figuring out our groove. But
But she's
She's
okay.
like-
Can I give feedback?
Can I
she
give
is
first?
super smart. Okay, like let me tell you something. Yesterday I told her, listen, we'll sit and we'll work out together. Like we'll work together on this one piece that we've been figuring out. We come and she's like talking to me, and she suddenly reeled me in with this meaty piece of gossip. And time's just gone by, and I'm like, wait a minute, we got no work done.
okay, guys, putting that aside, I think Shavni is like a fire mentor, okay? Because, like, especially because the first project I worked on with her, I actually didn't know what exactly she wanted, but like, she was like guiding me through it every step of the way and like helping me with like my editing skills to just help my own stuff, which I think is really cool. But yeah, yesterday I kind of wasn't in a mood because I was like, I cried, right, because of Gayu.
Guy was just watching this podcast, wondering what happened.
So then I came back and then I was like, I don't want to work, but I'll go see Shamli. So I gave her some gossip and it was kind of fire.
Yeah. Then we just kept chatting. But yeah, no.
But yeah, no, so far it's a great experience. I'm kind of excited
Excited.
for what the future holds.
Yeah, it's so fun. Trust me. Oof,
Yeah.
it's too fun.
Yeah, imagine like Menas is having fun and gets the work done.
Oh my God.
She also gets work done. Don't
What?
don't talk to her like that.
See, she never said it. She just started saying it now.
I don't need to give her validation in front of you, okay?
I don't need it. We know
Yeah.
that I get work done and we have fun. Unlike you, all you do is come in and then you pin the camera on us and then just make us do things.
Make you do things.
Not make us do things, but yeah, you distract us. You're the problem, dude. Maybe you should just not come to French toast and everything will be fine.
Oh,
You have come to my house.
Sorry.
French toast in
Oh,
my
I should have
house.
not
You
said
really
that. That's
attacked him.
so
You really
mean.
attacked him in the wrong place.
Yeah. Sorry, that's your house.
The most beautiful thing about Tessa is she's the most distracted human being in the world.
yeah.
If we are sitting at the window table, and if obviously window table means like you can overlooks the road. Every time a car passes, anytime a human being walks, a dog passes, a bird flies, she will look.
Yeah, but dude, like, I go to French toast, 2 people watch. Like, it's such a convenient place. Like, the entire thing is open and you can
I
just
love
look.
knowing everything.
It's
Do you
great.
do you like people watch and then form your own stories about what they're talking?
Yeah, I
to?
do.
That's kind of weird.
I do.
even I do that.
I do that. It's so fun.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, you guys all need work in life.
The best thing is when you're sitting in a coffee shop and then like
In
you-
French toast.
No, okay, maybe French toast. But you're with your friends or you're with one friend, but like you meet this person every day, so it's not
Oh.
there's not much to talk about.
He's
Okay,
really
thanks,
attacking
No,
Sharan.
no, I'm not talking about Shavani. But you have a table next to you where some really meaty piece of gossip, like there's
Oh my
something really
God.
big happening in their life,
Yeah.
or some fight is
Dude, I'm
happening.
so on the same page with Sharon with this stuff.
Yeah,
Like,
and it's so much
oh
fun
my
to listen
God.
because you're part of the discussion, but you're not part of it. Like,
Yeah,
there's no
facts.
emotional toil there, right? You're just like
Yeah.
having fun.
I feel like people are not going to sit next to us in French toast
Yeah,
now.
probably.
Or they're gonna just talk about fake stuff and
Fake
you're not gonna believe it.
so that they can hear it on the podcast.
But Tessa knows everyone. Like legit.
Yeah,
Anyone who
dude.
walks into French toast, Tessa is like, hi.
Yeah, because Tessa's a stalker.
I am.
No, Tessa's
Yeah.
I am a
Tessa's
stalker.
a cool girl.
Yeah, I stalk normal people, not
Wait. Okay, you stalk normal people. Have you ever messaged a celebrity?
no.
That's a lie. You never messaged Leclerc, for instance.
I think I've messaged Nicola, yeah. I think. But I know they won't respond to me.
What
so
did you message him? Show me.
I I
I
don't.
love you, baby.
I really don't think I have. I don't think.
But
So.
okay, guys. For context, Shah Leclerc is our favorite human being in the whole world.
Yeah, I just love him so much. I'm so in love with him.
Okay, if Leclerc is watching this, what do you want him to know?
I don't know. You put me in the spot. I have to, I have a whole thing planned. So you know how celebrities, like, if they know that you know them, like, they're not that interested. So, like, for example, one day
How
we're
do you
gonna
know
be.
this?
Come on, it's like a thing.
Yeah, she literally said like when that happens. Like we
And
actually
Shambhali
know
is like,
when
yeah,
that
I know.
happens.
Shambhali is like, I know.
No, I know what she's saying.
Both best boss in interview. They validate each other in every second.
No, but listen, I'm going to be in, like, the hotel lobby, and then, like,
Where is this? Like, okay, if you're giving
I don't
details.
know.
Monaco, okay.
Yeah, in
Monaco.
Monaco. And then he's gonna walk out of the
Dude, it's
lift.
really expensive.
And then I'm going to bump into him, and then he's gonna be like, "Oh, I'm sorry," and then I'm gonna be like, "Oh, it's okay," and then, like, I'll drop something. It's like a movie.
He will bump into you. He will say sorry. Then you will drop things.
When he bumps into me.
Oh, then you want like both of you guys to like go down and pick the
Yeah.
stuff up.
Yeah.
And
And then
look
your
in each
eyes,
other's
like,
Mm.
yeah.
And then I'm gonna make sure that I pretend like I don't know him and that I'm not obsessed with him. And then he'd be like, "Oh, who's this girl? Like, she has no idea who I am. Maybe I should, like, talk to her."
And then if she doesn't talk to you, will you say anything?
Yeah.
You'll be like, you don't want him to know that he's Shah Leclerc, so you'll be like, Thomas? Like, what is the strategy if he doesn't talk to you?
I have a strategy, okay?
Okay, you drop the stuff. Okay.
If he okay, so he's gonna help me pick it up, right?
Mm.
And then I'm just gonna like start talking about Formula One. No, I can't do that.
You can't, if you
That's-
talk about
yeah,
Formula One, he
That's
knows.
too sus. You can't start talking.
Yeah.
about Formula
Okay, but then
Start talking about ice hockey.
no, I'll start talking about pharmacology.
Oh.
Pharmacology.
Yeah.
Please don't say
He's gonna put
it's
you
related
in
to
an
farming.
asylum. He's gonna put you in an asylum.
Yeah. And then something's gonna happen, and then butterfly effect, we're gonna be together.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
She's going to look at you and he's like, which child have I bumped into?
Listen, we're both Libras, so we like think alike.
You know his birthday?
Yeah.
When's his birthday?
16th October 1997.
Oh my god.
He's younger than me.
Yeah, he's way younger than me. He's only he's 97 born?
Yeah, he's 26.
He's
years old.
97 born or you want him to be 97 born?
He is 97 born, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're like what, 10 years younger than him?
No. 2003.
6 years younger.
Guys, sorry, she's counting. We'll take some time. Okay? Please go ahead.
Wait.
Yeah.
1998.
6 years. I am saying 6 years. She's not learned math from me. That I can tell
One
you.
sec. How did you do it so quickly?
97 and 2003.
What is-
7
So
plus
three,
6
three.
is 13, no?
What is 17 plus 13? Okay, we don't have to do this for the podcast. We can do this for the vlog.
40.
40 or?
17 plus 30 is 40.
You do that? Why would you?
Guys, Rahul off camera is like 40.
Wait.
17 plus 30.
That's correct.
30.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay,
Listen, I
but
was like first in class for math, okay? I just
Really?
need a
was there anyone
Yeah,
else in class?
yeah.
Was there anyone else in class?
Yeah, I just need a
Damn, dude.
I need a paper and a pen though.
Mm.
Dude, that's kind of cool. First in class
Yeah.
for math.
No, I was really
Dude,
Guys,
I
have you
wasn't
studied-
even last. Like I just wasn't in the class.
Oh.
That was horrible. Oh my god.
Naz.
Okay, so wait, bumping happens and then you're playing it cool and you're talking about pharmacology. How do you make sure that you, like, there's a second step to this?
I'll just make sure that I look so good, and I don't know.
Like,
I'll
it has
work
to be
my
love at
charm.
first
Like,
sight.
okay,
Yeah.
wait, what are you
It'll be-
wearing to make sure that you look so good? Like, what is the one thing which you know that a guy would be attracted? Like, what is the go-to piece?
A dress.
Black color.
Yeah.
But
And
that's what about
heels.
his girlfriend?
He has a really, really, really sweet, lovely
How do
girlfriend.
you know she's sweet and lovely?
I don't
She
know, she just-
stalks.
yeah, I've stalked her. I follow her. I follow all her fan accounts.
You
So I
message her
watch all
also?
those
Oh my God, this is
like
so terrifying.
paparazzi videos of her,
Hmm.
and she just seems so nice.
So then you won't you feel
And
bad
her
for her?
name is Alexandra, and my surname is Alex.
Guys, I'm speechless.
That is so cute. Okay, I really want to. I would watch this movie.
Okay,
Okay,
but
so
wait,
tell me
wait.
I
more.
would too. I would too.
yeah, but wait, okay. Won't you feel bad for her? Like
Yeah.
when
I do. To be very honest, I don't want to date him. I just want to like
Marry him.
be no, I don't want to marry him either. I just want to be around him all the time. Like I don't mind being
wanna
like
be
his,
his butler?
daughter. Oh yeah, I don't mind being his
Daughter?
butler.
You want to call him daddy, huh? You want to call him...
No.
That's sick. That's sick.
You're so naughty. Listen. Stop it. Listen to me.
Yeah.
I just want to like hang out with him. Like I just want to like
So you can be
Go-
besties with him.
yeah, I want to be besties. I'm not even kidding. Like, I just want to be like his dog. I just want to go behind him all the time.
Oh my god.
This just progressively gets
Worse.
worse.
Not dog. Like you know, he has a little puppy Leo
Yeah.
who just runs
So
around
you
him all
want
the time.
Leo.
Yeah, I love him.
Yeah, I think
I don't want to date him. I don't want.
I think
to.
it'll be better if you say you want to date him at this point.
I don't want to date him. I
Alexandra
want to
will
dog him.
understand.
No, but you don't understand. Like I just want to be in the paddock all the time, just watching him. And just I just want to be his best friend.
Who
Is
loves
that
him?
too much to ask for? Yeah.
I mean, your obsession for him is like Sharan's obsession for Ronaldo.
Exactly.
yeah.
You don't
Except
want- you're
Sharan
the
wants
same.
to be with Ronaldo.
Yeah, I want to marry him.
Yeah, fair enough.
I don't want to be his dog. That's kind of weird.
I don't want to be his dog. I just want to be like Leo.
Oh my god. Who is it for
Who
you?
is this dog?
Who is it for you, Shamli?
Who's his dog? Leo is his dog.
Why is she
Yeah.
not done?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No. No. You guys are getting it all
Rahul is like, you
wrong.
want to be his bitch.
Listen, guys, you guys are all getting it wrong.
Mm.
I just want to be his best friend.
Have you thought that you were
One sec.
saying it wrong? How can 4 people get it wrong?
Okay, listen. You know how I like come behind you guys all the time?
Mm.
I want to do that with Charlotte Leclerc. Get
Okay.
it? Now understood?
Okay,
Okay.
that makes a lot more sense.
Yeah.
So she's
she
comparing
doesn't
you
have
guys to
any-
Charlotte Leclerc.
We won at
Love
life, but she doesn't. You don't have any like physical attraction
No,
towards.
no,
What
no.
if he's like, what if you're walking around and he's suddenly naked fully?
I'll close my eye like that.
Oh, fuck up, Tessa.
I will.
Just shut the...
I
How
will.
much can you lie, bro?
I will close. And I'll do
Okay,
that.
wait. So if he,
Oh, yeah, no, I close and then do that.
so if he wants to be in a relationship with you, will you say no?
Of course not. Why would I say no?
Ah, because feeling
That was
that
the
there.
question.
Oh,
No,
feelings
no,
are
no,
there.
Literally, that was the question.
No, but I would
No, she's a
never get
girl's
in the
girl.
way
She
of
would-
like another.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
no,
relationship.
Alexandra
I love
is
them. They're
okay with
so
it.
sweet.
Yeah, she'll figure her life out.
Yeah.
She's not.
Yeah, it's all
She'll
good.
find
Yeah.
someone else.
Oh, they're so.
What if
perfect
he's
though.
like a guy where he wants 2 girlfriends? Then are you okay?
No, I don't like that. I don't support that. No.
So would you still not want to follow him around if he said he wanted 2 girlfriends?
No, I'll still follow him around as a best friend, just not as his other girlfriend.
Hmm.
Mm.
Okay,
Yeah, that's
that's fair.
Manas, what about you? Do you have a Charlotte Leclerc in your life?
It's One Direction. It's all 5 of them.
Ooh.
Oh.
Yeah,
Five
it
boys.
got really unhealthy at one point where I had like bed sheets, backpack, laptop case, phone case, like 10 bracelets, my diary.
Bedsheet, really?
Yeah. So like it was just 5 guys. on my bed.
She's sleeping on Pie Guys.
Dude, and it got really insane when it started becoming their birthdays because I would celebrate them.
Oh my
Oh.
god.
Oh my
So my
God.
parents were like, "What's wrong with you?" Because like for Zayn's birthday, like I printed like big ass
Zayn's
pictures.
birthday.
Yeah, like I mean,
Zayn, my
it's just
buddy.
Zayn. But yeah, I like printed out like a big picture of him and like hung it up and bought a cake and like played his music and stuff and
Is this a party for one or the other
no,
people?
I invited people.
No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Oh, that's
and
so
then-
cool though.
And for example, like Louis' birthday, so he really likes carrots. So I made carrots the food that day.
Oh my
my
god.
God.
Yeah, it's kind of
How did you get over this?
It took a long time. Actually, my granddad really embarrassed
Also
me one
likes
day.
One Direction.
No, so he came to school like to like it was some football tournament and he came there and he was speaking to the guests and there were like maybe like 600 people there and he was just like, oh, I have a granddaughter here, but she likes some. Can I say it in Malayalam?
Yeah.
Yeah. So he's like, അവൾക്ക് ഏതോ ഒരു വൺ ഡയറക്ഷൻ ഇഷ്ടമാന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഏതോ ഒരാൾ അതിൽ നിന്ന് പോയിന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് കരച്ചിൽ നിർത്തിയിട്ടില്ല.
Oh my
Like the
God.
entire school just knew that. It was so embarrassing. But I
Okay,
think that
can
was
you
my
translate for me?
Oh,
Yeah, Manas.
basically my granddad was like, she said she likes some like boy band called One Direction, and one of the guys left, and she like didn't stop crying for 2
Oh
days.
my
didn't eat.
god.
I didn't though. I didn't cry. Like I didn't eat.
Oh my god.
You still have the bed sheets.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so
But we
cute.
changed the mattress at home.
Imagine bringing a boy home and then like that.
There's just
There are
one.
6 guys.
I would never bring a boy home.
You go to the boys' home.
One Direction's there. That's enough.
Oh my god.
Okay, but now who is it?
Dulquer Salman.
Oh.
Oh, good one.
What did you do if you met Dulquer?
Sharon, stop it.
Why are you blushing
Yeah,
right
yeah,
now, bro?
tell us,
It's not like
Menas.
Dulquer will walk in right now.
No, guys, I would just give him a tight hug.
And
And?
just say it.
And meet his wife and child.
And
And hang out with them.
No, so guys,
Menas has a very weird fetish.
yeah, Menas wants to do something very specific
No,
when
guys,
when
this
she when she meets Dulquer. Do you want to say it or I
Cut,
will say
cut.
it?
Guys, my dad will be really disappointed. I can't do this.
She looks
Yeah.
at Dulquer
Uncle,
as
don't watch this.
she looks at Dulquer as though Dulquer is gelato.
Yeah.
Get with
that's
that
the
what you
context.
want.
That was worse.
Oh my god,
That was
really?
worse
I didn't
than-
realize how wrong that sounded. No, I look at him as like a role model.
That's a lie.
Okay, now I definitely know Uncle is watching this.
No, yeah. No, Dulquer is fire, dude. Oh my god.
But I don't know. I've never been obsessed with people.
Dude,
like
I'll
this.
tell you where I got obsessed with him, okay? So have you watched this movie called CIA?
Mm.
So at the end when he comes in, he's like, Sarah, Mary, Korean, all the best. Oh my god, I was like, bro, I feel like he's saying all the best to me. That's crazy.
But he's leaving the girl in that.
Yeah, but like, it's fine if he leaves me. I just want,
You
like,
just want him to
I want to
say
be
that.
relevant enough for him to leave.
she just wants him to be gelato.
No, can you stop
But,
saying
you
that?
know, but that was a terrible movie.
Yeah, it was a horrible movie, but it was the.
Shan,
the
you
moment.
love Ronaldo when he doesn't even do anything on the
Shut the
field.
fuck
So
up.
please.
Shut the fuck up.
Yeah, dude, even when he was benched for so long, you still like him, right?
Yeah. It's in the highs and the
Okay,
lows.
thanks for making me understand. I love CI.
Yeah. I don't know. I've never had these unhealthy
No one?
obsessions. No one.
I mean, Hrithik Roshan for a while.
I mean, for like 2 years of my life, when I was 6 years old, I was obsessed with Hrithik Roshan. Like, I used to
Okay,
sleep
no,
with his
that-
picture under my pillow. But
Yeah, that's
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 an
it.
obsession
Yeah.
for sure.
yeah, but that was like, I was way too young to understand what was happening. But he was.
sleep with him under my
I don't
pillow.
understand what's going on.
I was 6 years old.
What do you mean? What's going on? Like, what do you? What
Like
does
my
that mean?
heart used to
No,
beat
there were-
fast
No,
when I
Tessa,
would see
Tessa,
his
there were two
picture.
beds. One was Hrithik Roshan with the pillow, and the right next to her there was another bed with One Direction. Like there were two beds together.
Huh?
Oh,
Even
no,
I'm
no,
confused.
nobody-
Yeah, dude, even I was like, what are you talking
Ah!
about?
Where's Charlotte Claire? Why are you leaving him out of this?
No, because it's
Because
both
Hrithik
bed,
Roshan
bed,
seems like
bed,
he'd
bed.
vibe with Zayn Malik, but Charlotte Claire's not giving.
No, I was like trying to make the joke that both of you are together.
It was really bad.
Shut the
Sharan.
fuck up!
so bad.
Please. When I was 6 years old, Menas was not even born.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, that's also true.
Oh my god.
Really?
yeah.
Okay, what do you guys feel when you guys meet people who are like 10 years elder to you? Do you think there's a huge difference?
It really depends, like the people, because like I don't see much difference in you guys, like, cause
Are you trying to say we're not we're like immature?
it's so
No, you guys are as kiddish as us.
no, like you really like know how to connect with people your age, people older than you, and people younger than you. So that's like a different thing.
Yeah.
But like if I like meet a 30-year-old, like I already have a preconceived notion that I'm like, oh, like they're not gonna be on the same page with like about things as me. But I didn't see that with you guys, so I don't really.
But to be fair, you know, I also felt that. Like when I was growing up, I was like, oh my god, like people who are 30 years old are like so serious in life. They know
Yeah.
everything they need. And I'm like, wait.
Wait a minute.
30 doesn't seem like 30 when I hit 30.
Yeah, when I hit 30,
But-
yeah, I genuinely, when I was 21 and I used to hang out with 30-year-olds, I was like, they have figured out life.
Yeah.
They know things I don't know.
You
I mean,
guys have figured out life.
Yeah,
Yeah, for you, yes, because you're 21.
No, but even
But now we're
otherwise, come
looking at-
on. You guys are living life.
She's
I wanna be you.
She's not going to give you off tomorrow. You're coming to work tomorrow. Chill out.
Tessa, bro, I wish I met you earlier.
You did.
You're
You just
such a
didn't
fun-
like me.
I oh my god. Tessa, you
She
need to
was too
stop making
school
me
in
the-
school.
Guys,
She wouldn't hang out with me.
don't hate
But I thought
on
you were the popular girl in school.
She was.
You were also. You said you were popular.
I'm the in my batch. No. Wait. No, that's so weird to say it out. Say out. She was popular in the
No.
school.
Okay, wait. I need to interrupt
like
this.
batch, all the batches
And
together.
you were just popular in your class.
Yeah.
This is like really awkward. But for the people that love Tessa on this podcast, I never was not her friend.
Yeah.
She's just making that up. I'm gonna get haters because of you. But yeah, no, we were just never friends. Like it's so weird. And then she
We
came,
were always like hi bye, hi bye, hi
yeah,
bye. That's
and
it.
then she came, like she moved to the UK, and then we started talking a bit. And then I think we actually got closer in Kochi only.
Yeah. UK Kochi because of
UK
UK
Kochi,
and
yeah.
Kochi. Yeah. But like prior to that, like I knew her. We knew of each
Yeah,
other.
we knew
were
each
like
other.
friends, not friends, but just friends. Yeah.
So you wanted to be friends with her because she was a cool girl in school, but like you were not cool enough. So
Yeah.
But I wanted to be friends with you. Like now that
shut
I
the fuck up, man.
Now that I think of it.
Yeah. If you were the most popular girl in school, then there's no way you want to
dude,
be
like-
friends with Tessa.
But Tessa's such a fire person.
Why would you say that? Take it back.
Why would I take that back? Was she friends with you?
No.
Exactly. Then why am I taking it back?
But what made Menas popular?
I don't know, dude. She was so popular.
Like, give us some like.
Then I was like,
was-
I have no idea what to do.
everyone knew. Like I don't know. She was just very outgoing, and like she used to be a part of every single extracurricular activity.
Yeah, basically I just didn't study.
Do you remember when you were when TEDx came to school? I think
Yeah,
or some. I don't
yeah.
know what it was. And she didn't have a role, but she was the head.
I don't know if she's dissing her or you're
She
complimenting her.
It sounds like she's dissing me. It's like you had nothing to do. Why were you there?
Yeah, why were you
No,
there?
no, she was the curator. I remember curator.
Oh,
and
it's a
back
fancy
then,
word for a person who's not doing anything.
listen, back then I was like curator. What is that? Like there's
What is
like
curator now? Wait, what is curator?
Stop it.
Back then, okay, what is curator now?
like the person who organizes it and like
Who curates the
overlooks it.
speakers?
yeah, and curates the whole event. What is pharmacology?
I know, it's farming. Nanas, how was it being the most popular girl? Like, what were the perks that you had?
Like
No,
come on,
don't be
so many
humble. We don't
perks.
need humble.
No,
humble
I'll
doesn't
tell you,
sell.
the problem
We need
is
views on this video,
this-
so say some fucked up shit fast.
this. Oh my god, dude! This sounds like I peaked in high school. That's why I hate talking about things like this.
You're
No.
peaking.
You've not peaked in high school.
Yeah,
But
okay.
why were you also at a peak in high school?
Dude, I'll tell you what. So I kind of like I wanted to talk to everyone, okay? And my intentions was just to like literally talk to anyone and everyone I can because I love talking.
Okay, then why not Tessa? That is so fucked up. You said she doesn't do anything in life.
know, I'm
She
older than
replied to
her.
that. What?
Yeah,
Wait, what did you say?
I'm older than you.
Yeah, she's older than me.
Okay, you wanted to speak to everyone and then?
Yeah. So then I just used to like go and talk to people. I was judged a lot because of that because they're like, oh, she wants to like be the popular kid. Like she wants to do this. She's so spoiled. Blah blah blah. Some nonsense.
Just
But-
because you wanted to talk to people.
Yeah, literally because I wanted to talk to people. And I also hated studying and I was horrible at it in school because like CBSE just wasn't my thing. So I would just engage in a lot of extracurricular activities so that like I have something to look forward to. So I kind of went like insane. Like I would just do everything for the school. So I think like after a point, like it just became like,
Everybody knew you.
yeah, like because
Yeah.
I was just part of
And
things.
You're gonna agree to this as well. Like she had a really cool mom. Like she
Oh,
has a
yeah,
really
absolutely.
cool mom
That
who was a teacher in our
definitely.
school. and
Oh, so it was it was
everyone-
nepotism. That's
was
what it
No, but she was like
Nanas is going to kill you after this, so good luck. I'm
Yeah.
not saving you.
no, but she has the coolest mom, and she's the principal now, right?
Yeah, principal
Of-
of Choice School Calicut.
Yeah.
Get
But
your
back
kids
then she
admission
was
there.
a teacher in my batch,
Yeah.
like class teacher.
But yeah, dude, she's definitely like she played a part in like a lot of it. But she actually joined school after I started all of this, so she came quite late. But like, dude, she like I have to say it, like she's the most like fire like adult I've met in my life. Like she is literally so understanding, like so progressive. She's all about like evolving with time, and I think it's because she engages with kids a lot
Yeah.
and like talks to kids that she knows a lot of things that I think other parents are not able to understand. So like in that way I had the most chill life like growing up because they were just so accepting of anything and everything I wanted to do. And like once I turned like 18 they were like, okay, like now it's like you can ask us for advice but it's still like your choice,
Your
you
decision.
know, so it's really
Yeah.
cool.
Nanas' dad is just watching this podcast. What the fuck? Not one nice thing about me.
Okay, say now. Say one.
I love you.
To her dad, she said, I love you.
One 5-minute speech for mom.
Mom.
My my mom's gonna be like, she's gonna be the happiest person on earth.
What do you want from her? But do you think that's important, like having a, like, do you see the difference between kids who have a
Yeah.
good relationship with their parents
Definitely, because I
and
like
with kids who don't?
I see people that like have strict parents, and it's not just like, okay, like they can't come out, they can't do this. It's like they're restricted so much from like even just meeting people and talking to them, and like there's so much you do outside school that comes into school at the end of the day. Like if we're all hanging out at someone's house and stuff, like you'll be talking about stuff, you're probably getting closer each day. I feel like a lot of people were restrained from that because their parents were strict, and also just like people that were so academically focused that they wouldn't let them like kind of venture out into anything else. So that was really upsetting to see as well, because for me, like all of that kind of made me the person I am, and it was just really like you can see the difference when they're growing up, because like I think to some extent they rebel as well now.
Yeah.
'Cause
No,
of
I
the
agree with
restraint.
that
And they
because
hide and do stuff.
Yeah,
either way.
exactly.
yeah, and you don't have the freedom to tell your parents the truth about what you're doing.
Exactly.
So then that's more dangerous.
yeah, and especially
So-
if they like get in trouble and stuff, like I just feel like, dude, the first person I call will be my parents, but like that's not the case for many people.
Yeah,
So that's
yeah.
quite sad.
Yeah. No, but even like for me growing up, like I used to be the only girl who would hang out with friends outside of school.
Outside of school.
Because none of my girlfriends were allowed to hang out. Even on the football pitch, it would literally be like 10, 12 boys and me. Because there was no other girl out there.
Yeah.
And it was so strange for me to understand why this is happening. And I feel like it also impacts your holistic development at some level.
Yeah. Also, my dad moved us to Panampally really young, so that helped the process because I was just close to everyone and everything.
Yeah.
So thank you, Dad.
We're going to cut that part out. So Uncle
Yeah.
doesn't-
Yeah, she's just trying to plug in one like.
She's like, I need to talk about my dad. I need to talk. So what about you? Are you close to your parents?
Yeah, I'm really close. to
Who
my
do you like
parents.
more, your mom and your dad?
Why are all these questions for? You guys just attack
I
us
would
so
go
No,
to my-
because she has answers for these.
No, who do you like more? Your mom or your dad? Shamoli.
Yeah, Shamoli.
That's so cute.
I would go to my dad for advice, like to talk to. I can't speak to my mom. She has no, like, her attention span is like 30 seconds. If I even
Like you.
So it's genetic.
Thank you.
Runs in the
Now we know.
she won't listen to me. Like at the end of the thing, when I'm asking, like, oh, what should I do? She'll be like, "Enna parne?" What? Or like if she gets a call and then she leaves and she just never comes back. But I'm super close to them. I love them.
Okay, for you advise your dad and then what then mom? What?
Everything else, my mom. For example, if I walk into the house, the first person I look for is my mom. Be like, Amma, Amma evade, Amma evade. I don't. Do you? Okay, no, you might. Do you guys? Like, you guys come back from school or anywhere. Who's the first person you look for?
Mom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like it's a thing. Everyone looks for their mom.
My mom is still in school.
So you look for your mom. Whenever.
Yeah. All the time.
You're also the same. You're
Yeah.
closer to your mom
I
than your
remember I
dad?
used to always like be like mom, but more because like mom was at home. Dad was in office, so I'd be stupid to be calling for my dad.
Imagine no one said that.
I mean, my relationship with my parents is like, it's like a typical like, oh, dad and daughter are close, mom and son are close, relationship. But like, it's not like I'm like constantly. I'm not a very chatty person. Even at home, I'm not. I'm the least talkative. In fact, like my parents always ask me, why don't you talk to us? But I just don't like talking. I like being there like a fly on the wall when they are having fun, when my brother's there and all of that. So I'm not very verbally close to them, but I'm very, very close to them. I think I would love to have that relationship where I'm talking to them and stuff, but I can't. Like I get so emotional even thinking about it. I'm like,
Oh no.
yeah.
No, cry, please,
Cry.
please.
Cry.
20,000 views, please.
Yeah.
Cry.
Guys, let's play a game.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Let's see who can cry the fast.
You
You
I
will
can't
cry.
really cry. But if you really make me cry, I can cry now.
Guy you.
What is that? You do.
I feel so bad
Exactly.
for her, dude. She's gonna pull up this like episode and be like, "What's wrong?"
Sharon, who are you? Who do you like more, mom or dad?
My brother.
He is closest to his
That's
mom.
actually
Yeah.
so cute.
He's closest to his mom, but
Yeah, I'm closer to my mom.
Yeah.
But he loves his brother the most.
I love my brother the
And
most.
dad's like,
And
the
my
buddy.
dad, like, no, he's not a buddy. No, he's a buddy. No, in my family, like all.
No, he
everybody-
respects his dad the most.
Yeah, he motivates me the most. I'm a lot like him. So,
Hmm.
like, the motivation, the determination I have,
Damn.
he never gives up. So, that's what I've learned from him. But, like, in our house, my mom always says that it's like 4 bachelors living together. Because everybody does whatever the fuck they want. Like, there's no
That's
rules, nothing.
so cool.
It's like,
so kawaii.
yeah, so kawaii.
Mhm.
And yeah, it's too kawaii sometimes. So yeah, but I'm closer to my mom in the sense that we talk about like everything under the sun. So she knows almost.
That's
everything
actually
about
really
me.
wholesome. I haven't met a lot of guys that are like openly communicative with their mom.
I feel like it makes a big difference. Like when you're,
Yeah.
like you said, especially like I had such a good childhood in that respect that anytime something goes wrong, my first instinct is to call my like. I've crashed my car some 1500
Yeah.
times. My first instinct is to call my dad, and by the 1500th time, he's like, "Please stop calling me. Just fix the car. Do whatever the fuck you want." But there's so many kids who I know have the stress of not being able to tell their parents,
Able to
and
tell
then
their
they,
parents, yeah, 100%.
then they have to go through like 1,000 different channels to fix
Yeah,
the problem.
exactly.
So here, like for instance, I know I have the ability to tell my parents everything. I just don't. I opt not to because I don't want to stress them out.
Okay.
So I feel like that is also sometimes the case.
Yeah, but I
like,
think that's also like it's obviously you looking out for them as well to not stress them out. But I think there's like a lot of pressure you're putting on yourself to just be dependent on yourself.
that's true.
Yeah.
I feel that.
Yeah,
I'm in therapy because of that.
I know. My logic about that is, if I am stressed, I want everybody
Everyone
around
to
to
be
be stressed.
stressed.
I'm not being stressed myself.
No, but I don't know why I have this issue. Like my brother is like that, okay? Like when he is going through shit, like we all are stressed out. Like it's a collective family activity.
That's so fun,
Dude,
right?
yeah.
I don't know. I would just like I don't want people to be like worried about
Yeah,
me.
I feel like Aryan's like you.
yeah.
Like he doesn't tell like.
Yeah.
Like,
Dude, when I'm stressed or like going through something, nobody will know. Like, because I cry all the time, right?
Except
so
for
like people
guys.
are just like, oh, whatever. But like, I just like nobody will ever know. It's crazy. I keep it so.
You can tell
low-key.
me.
Yeah, I already told you.
Oh no. yeah, I know.
Shamli, that was really like deep thing.
Sure, I can't believe you made that a joke.
Yeah, Shamli, I struggled for 3 years.
Oh my god.
No, I know. I meant like now in the future if you have anything.
I will.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Obviously. I don't want you to feel sad about what's already like in the past now.
You guys can talk to me as well. I'm a really good listener.
I will definitely actually talk to you.
Yeah.
Dude,
Let's
no,
go.
100%.
Because
Like,
I like
Yeah.
she's full like sunshine
Yeah,
vibes.
dude, like-
yeah.
she could instantly make me feel better,
Yeah.
which is crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Because
Okay.
Did you hear that?
I'll come to see you after I meet Gayu.
Guy, you have no
So
idea.
sad.
This is like how Fahim was in prison.
Guys, now that Tessa and Shamli have finished complimenting each other every second of this podcast.
We've not
Sharon and I
finished.
will talk.
Yeah. No, I was saying we're going to wrap up. But thank you for watching. And I think this will be the last episode Tessa is on. So don't ask us for fucking Tessa for another 3 months because she'll
Oh
come back
my
and then she'll be
God,
on
That
it.
is actually really sad.
So Tessa, you want to say any parting words? Oh,
Yeah.
stop doing that and
Say-
say parting words. Vote of thanks. Vote of thanks. Go for it.
Charles Marc Hervé Percival Leclerc.
That's
If you
his full
see
name.
this,
Oh my
like,
god. I
please
didn't know.
give
Dude,
me Monaco
talk to
tickets.
the audience that's
please.
encouraging you every day, not someone that's ignoring you.
Who doesn't know your existence?
Charles Leclerc is not watching our podcast. I'm sorry.
He will, okay?
Yeah, one day.
But you know who might?
Yeah.
No, you know
Dulquer
what? When you're
Salman.
bumping into him, you're watching the podcast on the phone.
Yeah.
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 But then he'll know you know him because you're talking about him, no?
Can we please get
Oh my
Dulquer
God,
Salman as
listen.
a guest?
Yeah. Soon.
And can I
Yeah.
be the
If you get him as a guest, you can be on this couch.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You can
okay.
be on him on this couch.
I'm not gonna
Eating
do that.
gelato.
Shall we? Okay, you know what? We're gonna make this happen.
Yeah, we manifest that.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Well, no,
Yeah.
to the fans, your fans. Final parting
Hi
words.
guys. I love you guys. Thank you. I'll see
Okay,
you
I'm
guys
just gonna
soon.
say this on your behalf, guys. Tessa has been such a fire addition to the "This is not a vlog and this is not a podcast." And I
Getting
know you're
shy.
all gonna miss her,
Yeah.
but she'll be back in 3 months, and she's gonna miss you guys too.
Yeah.
You're
I'll
so
be back.
stupid. You can't say that.
This is why y'all were not friends.
Yeah. No, but yeah, I don't want to be leaving, but I am, unfortunately. I have to go. But I'll be back soon and I'll be on the podcast again. See you soon.
Guys, if you want some fire coffee, go to Costa in Oxford.
Yeah, guys, come to Costa. I'll make
Make
you
you
guys
diabetes
fire
latte.
coffee. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just come, and if you say diabetes latte, like, I'll know it's you.
I mean,
What?
Okay, thanks guys.
that is so cute.
Okay, bye.
Bye.